I'm working on the design of how to put the woods in which order, so later when I will do cuts they will have a design, right? I think that so far is going okay, but I'm not quite sure if what I'm doing makes sense. And I'm not sure if this even will work because I need to glue from two angles, like I need to smash them from here, but also I need to smash them from there. And I don't think if I have clamps enough or strong enough to, yeah, you see, I'm missing, so I guess I will need to do two sections and later glue the two other sections together. Okay, so it's simple, 6 and 6, those are the sections, 2 blocks of 6, and then that could play even better. Okay, time to time I will keep working on this, and I will show you later when I have a bit more arranged. Basically I'm seeing the pattern of the wood to switch it, and so it's a bit more interesting.